So I've spent some time with the Weber Spirit EP-425, and honestly, this thing surprised me in a good way. First off, setup was pretty straightforward. If you've built a grill before, you'll be fine here. Nothing overly complicated. Now, cooking performance. This is where it actually shines. Heat distribution is really even across the grates, so you're not constantly chasing hot spots. Burgers, chicken, veggies, everything cooks pretty consistently. The standout feature for me is the sear zone. When you kick that in, it gets seriously hot. I'm talking steakhouse-level crust in just a few minutes. That alone makes it feel a step above a typical mid-range grill. Cleanup is also pretty painless. The grease system is simple, and the grates don't take much effort to scrub down. The only real downside? No built-in propane gauge. It's a small thing, but annoying when you run out mid-cook. So is it worth it? If you want a reliable, easy-to-use gas grill with legit searing power, yeah, this one's absolutely worth considering.